Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I have another Dollar Tree cooking video for you. So today we're doing a copycat KFC famous bowl. So this serves a family up to 4 and it will cost you under $6. So first I have that Idahoan bag of mashed potatoes. It serves 8. Also found this McCormick beef gravy. I have here some Libby's sweet corn. These cans are 79 cents at Dollar Tree. I only ended up using 1 can, but depending on how much corn you like, maybe you want 2 cans. I have 3 bags of this Circular Ranch fully cooked popcorn chicken, and you could either microwave it or bake it in your oven. I baked it at 425 for about 16 minutes just because I like it nice and crispy. So here's the 3 bags of the popcorn chicken, and that's before they went into the oven. So now I have here just a bowl, and I'm adding the water, salt, and butter that I had boiling, and that's according to the package instructions. So now I'm just going to add the bag of mashed potatoes and mix it into that water. So the instructions also called for some cold milk, and it says to make sure you use the cold milk after you've already mixed the water, salt, and butter into the mashed potatoes. So now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of milk, cold milk, and just incorporate that into the mashed potatoes. So this is what it looks like when you're mixing it in, and here it is all done. And then you just take a fork and fluff it up. So now I just have a small bowl, and I added some of the mashed potato into it. Now I'm adding the gravy. I just warmed it up on a saucepan on the stove, and add as much gravy as you like. Then you would top it with as much corn as you like. I like a lot of gravy. And then you top it with that popcorn chicken, and if you want you can also add a little more gravy on top, and you're done. You have this really quick, inexpensive meal that you can feed, again, family of up to 4 for under $6. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree cooking video. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, or if you tried it or you plan on trying it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.